Okay. Let him spin there. I'm videoing you.
Oh, you're videotaping?
Yeah.
I'll give him another
Let's do it again, yeah.
Okay. Hey, spin.
Wow.
Up and
Ooh, smart, Nigel.
spin. Come on, spin. Good boy. Nigel.
Mm.
Oh yeah, I'll do tricks all night long if you keep feeding me. That's it. Oh,
Nice.
sit and drain. Shake. Sit. Shake. Alright, anybody want ice cream? That's it. There's... Oh, we can... Huh?
I'll take a banana, I may not take ice cream.
Okay.
I'll take fruits, maybe apple or whatever. I want to be healthy.
You're smart. I like the way you think. Of course, I'm gonna have ice cream. So we have. Take what you like here. There's.
I like fruits, yeah.
Different apples and
Yeah.
bananas that are looking like they're. Well, no, they're right on the edge of where you can
Yeah,
still
like-
eat them. But
Nigel, what do you want? What do you want, Nigel? Hello. Hi, 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 hi.
Nigel, come here. Sit. Nigel, here. I'll give him some. I'll get you.
Yeah,
Nigel,
now look at me.
come over here. Sit.
Yeah.
Sit. Stay.
Oh,
Stay.
good. Is he okay?
Stay.
Good. Thank you.